Thanks for visiting Discount Blind Parts. Let me demonstrate on how to restring a Hunter Douglas Duette shade. Pull out the cord lock. Slide the rails out. Bottom rail. To feed the cord through the shade, just use a bent wire right through the blind. Feed the cord through the wire, blow through the shade, tie a knot big enough so it doesn't slip through the washer. It's best to peel out more than enough cord, because it's better to have too much cord than not enough and have to restring it again. One side. Average repair, takes me about 15 minutes. On a Hunter Douglas standard shade, those are probably the easiest ones to repair. Slide the rails in. Feed the cord through the cord lock. Now the new style Hunter Douglas lock, and the lock is the same but the covering is just a little bit different. If you're repairing a lot of shades, this tool is very handy, which you can also find on my website. Slide the bottom rail in. Add the end cap. Then adjust the cords. Thank you for visiting Discount Blind Parts. Have a great day.